Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I am Nopianti Lestari, and today I am going to introduce someone special in my life. He is a mature, kind and responsible man and also loving. He is my husband. His name is Edi Sudirman. He was born in Ciamis in July 1988. And now he is 36 years old. His daily job is a coffee farmer and also raises some goats. His hobby is gardening, taking care of his coffee plants, and also taking care of his goats because he really likes his job. He lives with me right now in Cilumping Village, Dayahluhur District, Cilacap Regency, Central Java. He is Indonesian and also Sundanese because he was born in Ciamis, West Java. He is one of the most precious people in my life because he is my good, responsible and loving husband, and I love him. That's all, and thank you for your attention. Goodbye.